Namaste. In our previous video, we discussed about what is the best time to have water. When you're either thirsty or when you're having your meals, in sips in between. Now, what about rules? Are there any kind of specifications for who should actually reduce their consumption totally? There is. And this is important for us to know because a lot of us face what is currently, in colloquial terms known as a leaky gut, meaning your absorption is not at its best state and whatever you're eating, any kind of nutrition, is not being taken up by the body well. You've got either sluggish intestines or it's just that the absorption doesn't happen correctly. So, who are all these people who should be reducing their consumption for sure? There is a shloka that goes, Nambupeyam ashaktya swalpam alpagni gulmibhi pandudarati sararsho grahani shoshashotibhi rite sharanyadagabhyam pibet swasthopi chalpasha. Now, I don't want to take up what is commonly done where we translate the terms of what a vyadhi is into the current terms. This loses the essence of the pathophysiology that Ayurveda understands. So let's just go with some of the lakshanas. What are a few of the symptoms that such a person would be facing? Right? So one is you don't really feel hungry all the time. Mostly you eat a meal because it's the right time to do so, not because you're feeling hungry. Let's say if you're having excessive amount of burps, some people have a condition where you just press different parts of the body and they would burp. Now, if you're suffering from that, ideally you don't go and drink a lot of water. If you've got diarrhea, there's this common thing where you add ORS, you add salts, you have electrolytes, and you keep hydrating during the entire process where you're having a diarrhea. Your Agni at that time is already quite low. So we give something called as Siddha Jala, medicated water, and that is more acceptable and will help the condition ease out rather than keep overloading with more water at that time. Similarly, if you've got Udara, which is you've got swelling in different parts of the body, or you've got abdominal swelling and there's water retention happening, even then definitely reduce the consumption of water that you're having on a day-to-day basis. We will see more about different types of properties of water. If you boil and cool it down, how much time would it take for this to get digested? We will look at this in the next video. Namaste.